Introducing the Makinex mixing stations and mixer, the ultimate solution for fast and precise mixing of flooring materials. First up, the Mixing Station MS100, your portable, fast and easy flooring materials mixer. The Makinex mixing station is the ultimate mixing solution for self-leveling cements, compounds and epoxies, ensuring a perfect mix every time. The MS100 can mix up to 100 kilograms or 4 bags in just 3 minutes. It's ultra lightweight with an ergonomic design making precision pouring a breeze. Plus, it features a dust and splash reduction cover for a cleaner work environment. Mix, transport and pour, all from the same convenient unit. For larger jobs, the MS150 can mix up to 160 kilograms or 6 bags in just 7 minutes. It's equipped with braked caster wheels, helix paddles for efficient mixing, and overcurrent and overheating protection. Save time and labour while relishing an ergonomic lightweight design that curbs operator fatigue and injury. Whether it's a 4-bag mix or a 6-bag mix, the Makinex mixing station is perfect for floor levelling or grouting. It simplifies the process with its one-motion design.